Hello Amazon.com, it's me Bo Chevasu along with Polly. Today I wanted to demonstrate using a real-world twin mattress. This specifically is a mattress from IKEA, so it's the thin type foam mattress. However, if you have a thicker mattress, these fitted sheets will still fit nicely because there is a lot of give in here. So first I wanted to show you a demonstration of this fitted sheet off of the mattress, and then I've already put the fitted sheet on this mattress right down here so you can see it. And you can see there's ample room to put this all the way underneath, as well as, because I always have a pain point trying to figure out which way you rotate it, right? Like you rotate it 90 degrees, which way is the long end? And they solve that fairly easily for you by putting this little tag on the bottom, and it says bottom. Brilliant, huh? So you know that goes on the bottom. Very easy to put together. Love these fitted sheets.